Your SafePay signs are installed and up and running. But what happens when you decide you want to download statistics, check batteries, or change the settings of one of your signs? Driving from sign to connect through Bluetooth can be a hassle, until now. With new Traffic Logic SafePay Cloud powered by WebDirector, you can now manage your SafePay signs from anywhere, anytime. Simply log into the secure remote SafePay Cloud from anywhere with an internet connection and manage all alerts, messages, and display settings from one screen. View each of your signs on an interactive map of your city. Change all sign settings with just one click, or choose to access a single sign by choosing a location on the map. Data snapshots will give you an overview of driver behavior at any of your signs, including minimum and maximum car speeds. Data is real-time, so you know exactly what's going on anytime you access the cloud. Set alerts and receive emails when a driver exceeds the speed you set or when the sign battery is low. Choose when sign messages change, when digits or strobes should flash at drivers, and what display range your sign should operate at. The robust built-in reporting engine can generate valuable reports on traffic data and driver behavior with analysis that can help you make your streets safer. With SafePay Cloud, you'll get more out of your signs while spending less time managing them. Improve sign performance, increase sign success, and enhance road safety. Keep your roads safe from anywhere. Welcome to the SafePay Cloud.